side, the life that is to be mine. And through they let their light shine, and no more need to follow. I look up to the heavens, but night is clouded over. No smoke of constellation, no Vela, no Orion. The shells upon the roadsides have taken from their own lives the echo of their story, but all I hear are low sighs as fellow words are weaving and willow waves are leaving. But should I be believing that I am only dreaming, only dreaming? You go there, you go forever, I go there, I lose my way. We stay here, we won't anywhere else. To leave the dread of all time and let it make a dark line, and hopes that I can still find the way back to the moment I took the turn and turned to begin a new beginning. Still looking for the answer, I cannot find the finish. It's either this or that way, it's one way or the other. It should be one.